Okay, welcome back. Well, Unit 4, wow, that was just like a little 8-minute deal. Let's see what partitioning segments to given ratios means. Okay, partitioning segments in given ratios. Partition segments in given ratios. Okay, so what are we doing here? Watch the animation and identify each point on the given directed line segment. So we got a video here.
Here's Jack. He is on a treasure hunt, looking for buried treasure. The last clue has him stumped, though. The treasure is located between the swings and the slide, 1/3 the distance between the two. But is that 1/3 the distance from the swings, or 1/3 the distance from the slide? These 2 points are actually different. Instead of a plain line segment between the swings and the slide, what would be more helpful would be a directed line segment, often called a vector. With a directed line segment, AB would mean the distance starting at A and ending at B. 1/3 the distance AB would be here, but 1/3 the distance BA would be here.
Okay, so direction is all important. So this one, AB, going that direction. So point blank represents BA, we'd be coming back. F, direction, all encompassing point. 1/2 AB, half 7.5 E, point capital E. Okay. Okay, the 1/4. So
Here's
the animation
Jack.
is 1/4.
He is on a treasure hunt, looking for buried treasure.
D. Divide
The
by
last
4
clue
is
has him stumped,
3.
though. The
No.
between the swings and the
C,
slide, 1/3
from
the distance
D
between the
to
two.
C, 12
But is
and
that
4.
1/3
12
the
and 4 is
distance from the
16. So we have 16
or
units.
1/3 the distance
So every
from the
4
slide?
units, so 8.
These 2 points are actually different. Instead of a plain line segment between the swings and the slide, what would be more helpful would be a directed line segment,
Point
often called a
is
vector.
these segments are in the ratio
With a directed
of
line segment, AB would mean the distance starting at A
4,
and ending at
8,
B.
12.
1/3 the distance AB would be here, but 1/3 the distance BA would be here.
Okay, so they're going to measure. These lengths are in the ratio. There's 12 total units every 4. Okay, all right, 12 units every 4. The distance, point blank represents the distance CD, P, going this direction. And halfway would be 8 units, so that'd be S. Okay, now we're going up and down. Suppose WZ is a directed line segment, WZ. Select the point WZ from 0 to 8 divided by 4. 8 units divided by 4 is every 2. Every 2 units. WZ, every 2 units. Okay. So now we have 8 units. ZWV. halfway, WZ, halfway would be Y. Okay. Segment division. Okay. Well, seem to be locked up here. There we go. Okay, now estimate directed line segments. Point A is a midpoint. Point A is a midpoint. You can estimate the point that represents a third. Okay. G, B, B, H. So there's the half, there's the third, there's the third. Okay. 1/4 the distance, J, K. J to K, 1/4. Boom. Enter the coordinates 4, 3. The horizontal, the vertical, the point you selected represents the point you selected. Twelve, 4, a third, oh, a fourth. Hello. The point you selected divides the directed line segments into the ratios of 1, 3. That was weird. Locked up. One-third of the distance along the segment. Okay, 1/3 of the segment. The two segments were 1 to 2. 1/3 along DA. DA. And the coordinates 7, 3. 7, 3. Segments are 1 out of every 3 into 2 lengths. What is the ratio of the 2 lengths? 1/3, 3:1. Why are they saying 1:2? Select the point on the graph that divides into the two ratios. The point that divides into two lengths DQ, QA, DQ, QA. What is the length? 1/3, 1/3, 2/3. So it's a 1:2 ratio. Okay, so now we have 1/3 to 1/3, 2/5 of the distance along BC. Two-fifths of the distance along BC. BC. So I'm going to say 2 to the 5. Okay. 9/8. 9,8. BC, 15 minus 5, or 10 units. Okay, so 2/5. And blank the vertical distance. If you selected and divide and redirected the line, B, the ratios are 2/5 to 3/5, 2/3. Okay, so 1/3, 1/3, so we're happy. One-third, 2/3 gives you the 1/2. VM, V to M, half, 2/7, negative 2,7, half, half, 1:1. Okay, so segments, not sure where that came from, why we did that. Let's see where we go before we stop this video. Step-by-step partitioning segments proportionally. All right, see you soon.